Good Friday morning, YouTube. I am going to be making myself a fancy drink. I just have to find the, a good clear glass, fill it up with ice. I mean, we have this. I guess this will work. All right, so I got the carry out, okay? I already made a pink drink. It is the Donut Shop Coffee Iced Refreshers Strawberry Acai. I don't know what that is. This thing. So we've made that already. Smells good. So let's try this. Okay. I don't know how well. I've never used glitter. No taste, no texture, all sparkle.
That's how you get out of that house.
Add edible glitter to beverages, bubbly, and cocktails. Choose a color. Pour half of the packet into a beverage for a brilliant... My baby! Okay. So, 2 glittery 8-ounce drinks. So this is a cup and a half. So I'm guessing I would use an entire stick for that. No, 8 ounce. 8 ounces is a cup, so use half a stick. Okay. I'm going to get my ice. Wyatt, am I fancy? My baby. My baby. He's not answering me. Okay, this is a fancy brand. We're going to use the pink one. Elijah. I might need the scissors again. I have my cup of ice. I'm going to pour it in there and mix it up. We're going to go with the pink. I don't need. Okay. So. Elijah says I'm not fancy. I think I am. I can be. There's potential to be fancy. Okay.
There we go.
Glitter everywhere, but whatevs. I'm gonna get a little baggie of so that way none of it spills out. Can we see the glitter yet? Okay, let's... Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. Let's pour it over the ice. Oh, that ended up perfect. Okay. I don't want to. Trying to get a straw. No. Okay. It's sparkly. I feel fine, so let's taste test.
That block.
Pretty good. Alrighty, y'all. I planned a big fuzzy surprise for the kids.
4 years ago.
Say hi, Taggy Wag. He's like, whatever. I stopped and
3 years ago.
got
4
him
years ago.
a baon. So, what are your thoughts, my boo?
Thank you for bringing our boy.
So, I'm going to have to wash some bedding because I got him a
It's our
baon.
boy.
What's up, Taggity Wag?
Taggy Waggy. He's our boy.
My shadow is back. The only one who does not know that he is here is my mom. Is Yaya. Where's Yaya?
It's our boy, Mama.
I was in the truck. I was like, hey, Taggy Waggy, where's Boo Boo? Where's Baby? Where's Yaya?
Was he crying?
He was looking for him, for everybody. And then I met
Here's our boy.
Lakeisha's mom.
Come here.
At McDonald's. And, that was his baon. Say hi, Tag. Say hi. Get your foot off the table.
I have a big baby.
All right, put him down. Put him down.
Boy.
So I got there like a minute or two before her, and I saw her driving past. Saw like a car driving past, and I saw Taggy's big head. So I started walking over. So
Here's our boy. Here's our boy.
yeah.
It's our boy, y'all. It's everybody's favorite boy.
Taggy Waggy is here. Does that make you happy, my boo boo?
Very.
Surprise! Like,
my boy.
whenever I unlocked the door, like before I opened it, I took him off the leash and just let him come in. And Wyatt, he was dressed already. And I didn't tell anybody. I told him I was leaving to go meet somebody.
And I was just, and before that, I was like, "Hey, Ma, when's Tiger coming over?"
Yeah, and I was like, I don't know. I have no idea.
Asshole.
Because I know if I told him that I was going to go pick him up,
Asshole.
then he's like, he's gonna be like, when's Taggy coming over? When's Taggy coming over? Can we go get him? Can we?
Asshole.
Right? Right?
Possibly.
Then Wyatt was the first one to see Tiger, and so he kind of shuffled in the chair, and he's like, Tiger, and then you came into the living room.
And I heard Tiger Whitey's nails on the floor, on our hardwood floor, because we got hardwood in our living room.
The only place where we don't have hardwood is the bathroom
And in here in the
and
kitchen.
We have linoleum in the kitchen, and in the laundry room we have tile in the bathroom.
Like the whole bathroom is tile.
Yeah.
We
So-
gotta do something about that. Well, I like the tile, but we gotta make that heated. Because my feces be cold.
Your footsies.
My feces.
Your footsies.
Feces.
Sounds too much like you're saying feces.
My footsies. Feces.
So, Mom is the only one that doesn't know that Taggity Waggy's here. The last time he came over, nobody knew either. And they brought him over. And
We're probably gonna have Yaya come home early.
What can we use as an excuse to get her to come home early?
There's an emergency. Like someone's having a medical emergency.
No, we can't do that.
We could do someone fell. We could do like someone fell and hurt themselves.
No, we can't do that. We can't do an emergency. We don't want to freak her out.
But it'll be worth it.
Because she's not getting home until after 5:30. I don't know. But anyway,
we did dinner early.
No, because she'll just say that she can eat when she gets home. We'll figure it out. But anyways, Tiggy!
Here's our boy.
Hi, buddy.
Here's my boy.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, my boy.
I drank half a bowl of water.
We have a surprise.
Last time Taggy Waggy came over, I FaceTimed Mom. And she's like, and then there was another time I didn't tell her either. And she was already home. And I let Tiger into her room. She had the same reaction. And she was at work whenever I FaceTimed her the last time.
Buddy.
And she's like, guess who's at my house?
I hear a certain tiger-colored tiger.
He is. Say hi, Tig.
There's our boy. Tiger. Hi, bud. Yes, I love you. I love
Who is
you.
that sweet boy? Huh?
Such a sweet boy. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. He is currently whipping me in the arm with his tail. But he's okay.
I don't know how his butt doesn't hurt from wagging his tail so much.
No, it's more so his freaking ribs. Or his spine right here.
Alright. I'll be back on later. I don't have to water the garden. I am going to put at least Spidey down. All my plants are down. Hi, sweet boy.
So if y'all don't know, the reason why Tiger's all scared like this,
He doesn't like the rain.
it's also because of there's a big, loud thunder crash.
Y'all, we are going to try to end this video. If it wasn't for the previous clips, y'all probably wouldn't have known it was raining. But look at that. So I'm gonna leave it bloom for a little while before I pick it. So everything, I'm hoping everything got enough water. So those cherry tomatoes are getting so big in there. And we got one starting to turn color. So it won't be too long before we start seeing some tomatoes. Little grasshopper visiting. Hello. So I don't know if we have any cucumbers ready to be picked or not. I picked a couple yesterday. 2 cucumbers, 3 zucchinis. Oh, Gaspa! I see something. Okay, 2 cucumbers, 2 zucchinis. Well, 3 zucchinis and a yellow squash yesterday. Took them to the boys' therapy appointment. Both therapists took one of each. 1 cucumber, 1... He's got the zoomies. So let him run it out. 1 cucumber and 1 zucchini. So, and Elijah's therapist said he wanted some mullein. So in 2 weeks, I will bring him a couple of the leaves. Or 3 weeks. Surprised the kids with that. I did not come out here and water this morning. So I do have to fix those. But I will get to it when it's not so humid out. So I'm gonna trim that up. All kinds of pretty flowers in here. So stuff. Oh, he also wants some sage too. He doesn't have sage. I don't know what this other plant is right here. Doesn't really smell like anything. That is lemon balm. Not complaining about some more of that. So everything is definitely growing ever so nicely. If you smell the leaves of a tomato plant, it'll smell exactly like a tomato plant. Oh, look, I got a little buddy resting. I hope he's just resting and not... I hope he's just resting. Part of me wants to pet the bee. Just to see what he feels like. I don't know if I should. But I spy with my little eye something purple. My first zinnia. Look at that. Trying to get out. So, oh, another one coming. Yay. Just about everything started from a seed with the exception of this plant. The sage over there and that. Hey, had the zoomies. My boo. Come here, my boo. Oh, he's okay. It's okay. I saw movement. He was just resting. They do that sometimes. Okay. So the bee is resting. So what?
Our boy is digging.
No digging. Turd.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
We have a little buddy resting on the marigolds over there. A little bumblebee.
What are you doing?
You can hardly see him over there.
What are you doing?
Alright, anyways, I am going to
What are you doing?
end this video. So don't forget
You
to
gotta get
like,
more content.
subscribe,
You
and
gotta get more content of
hit
our boy.
the bell. We will get more content of the boy.
Can we upload a Zoomy video?
Possibly. Alright, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see y'all next time. So peace out.